As this doc comes up, Your Honor, we spoke previously and she did different clock application.
Yes, and hello,
Hi, Sydney.
okay. I have a note here that Ms. Dodd has been approved for $1,652 in rental arrearage. She was approved on the 13th.
Oh.
What's your next 1652?
Your Honor, the balance that I have is 1654.
I think your math is off by $2. Okay. All right. So she was approved for that, but you guys don't have the check. So let me ask you this. If you had to come up with the $2.
Yes, I'll pay it.
I should make her not pay it. So
I do got a question though.
She would pay it.
I would. I got babies. I gotta keep my house. I said I got babies. I gotta keep my house.
I got you.
So I'm not sure if you remember, but the last time that I was here, it was the furnace issue. You had stopped it and dismissed the case that I had before until that was fixed. They did have somebody come out. It was during the winter earlier this year.
Okay.
They did have somebody come out, but they weren't able to connect the air. They had to basically rig it kind of to just get the heat going for us.
Rent assistance approved, but $2 short of the balance. A bird living in her dryer vent, a seed that was never properly fixed, and she's in nursing school full-time. Watch how this judge handles it.
I'm back and do
now,
but they still haven't came. I was trying to see if somebody could come out. I've emailed a couple times, but still nothing. And then also we have a bird now in the dryer vent that I had asked for them. Like they keep coming through the outside. I don't know. I just here and I ran outside, so I don't know. Yeah, so it's live bird, and so they just keep coming back and forth.
We're going to invest.
Oh no, I don't do animals. But they keep
all animals or just birds?
I'm scared of birds. I don't know why.
Okay. Me too.
Okay.
All right. I just don't like them flapping around. I got you.
So
all right. So when are we going to get that bird out?
They keep, so that's the thing. They go out, but they come back in. So I had spoke to them about they were supposed to put a sheet up or something like that, but it still hasn't been done. So if
all right,
put one up for me.
So here's what I'm going to do. Bird in the vent. I want somebody to check her air conditioning because if that blower doesn't work, she's not going to get air. Okay. And then do something about that bird.
Please, bird.
So I'll adjourn it out to the 22nd, 2020. Well, if the check is on the way, let me go to the 29th. I'm going to go 2 weeks out. Let them try to get out there and get that all solved. And then that's at what? 2 p.m.
That's p.m.
Okay.
What day is that?
That's 29th.
What day is it?
Friday.
Friday. I might be in class because I'm in the nursing program, but we have clinicals and they switching our schedule, but I think we're switching to Fridays. So do I have to be in person?
You're supposed to be in person, but
I can talk to her. I'll ask my teacher first if I can step aside because it's right down the street.
So here's the issue. I don't want you missing class, but because the issue, I don't want you missing class to get down here. You think that if I gave you Zoom approval, you could appear via Zoom?
That's fine.
All right.
I asked her to first. I'm right. It's literally right here by St. Joe's. So I'm not far, but I just want to make sure that I'll be able to step out.
Okay.
Judge said fix the bird, fix the AC, and gave her Zoom approval so she doesn't miss nursing clinicals. 8 months from her LPN license, and the judge didn't want school getting in the way.
All right. So we'll work that out. The worst thing that nothing's going to happen. I just want to make sure that these repairs are done and that they get the check over.
Thank you.
And we'll do that. Okay.
All right.
So when are you going to be a nurse?
February 27th. Yeah. So next year, I'm almost there.
Next year?
Here.
How long you been doing?
Since this year, it's only a 12-month program through St. Joe's. This is the first one through
that St. Joe's.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I work there.
That part of it. Are they connected with the nursing program at Washington?
Not yet. So I'll be doing the bridge program there. So I'm doing the LPN program right now, but I'm going to bridge over to RN after I'm done in February.
Gotcha.
So that will be through one.
Okay.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Well, congratulations.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Thank you. Then just
Mackenzie Scott Brown, 26T646231. Your young lady, your name? Your name, folks?
Sean.
Kristen Brown.
What are you, how old are you? 16? And you're smoking tobacco?
Yeah.
You don't plan on running any marathons anytime soon, huh?
No,
Why are you doing that?
I don't know. It's just hard to quit.
You're hanging out with the wrong kids, aren't you?
Probably. That's how they got me in trouble.
Well, why don't you reevaluate who you're going to spend your time, right? Right? You know what I mean? My father used to tell me, if you hang out with the pigs, after a while, you start to smell like them. We don't want you. You're a pretty girl. And you should really thank your parents for being here. Right?
Yeah.
Is this the first time you've had this happen?
No, it's the third.
The third?
That's why we wanted to come.
What are you doing? Are you going to Trenton High School?
Yes.
What year are you?
Third tobacco violation, 20 days suspended from school. Doesn't know her own GPA, and she's only a sophomore. Watch how this judge talks to her.
Well,
You got to stop that. How's your grades?
well, like after coming back from like being suspended, they're still kind of like that, but
How many times you been suspended? How many days they suspend you each time?
the first time was 3 days, the second was 10, and the third was 10.
Well, how in the world are you going to get through high school if you're suspended 23 days? Is that in this school year you've been suspended for 23 days?
Sir, you gotta
pick your head up.
Only 2 of them.
Sir.
And one was last year?
Yes.
But the 2 this year were the 10-day suspension. So you missed 20 days of school? Only Einstein could get through after missing 20 days of school. Come on. You're not doing that in the school, are you?
Well, that's how they caught me.
Well, why in the world would you bring that into the school?
I'm just like influenced by other people doing.
Well, we can do one of 2 things in this crazy world. We can either be a follower or we can be a leader, or somewhat of a combination. But if you're going to just be influenced by people that are not on the right road, you're going to end up in a world of hurt. You understand what I'm saying, young lady? Yeah, I thought you'd learn the first time. Not the first, certainly the second. Now here you are on the third, and you're only a sophomore. What's your grade points? Well, that tells me a lot, right? If you don't know what your grade point is, you probably don't care a lot, right? And if you don't care a lot, you might not get through high school. Then you'll start to care, because then you're going to be in deep trouble because you're not going to have a job. Nobody's going to hire you, and you're going to live in poverty. You don't want to live in poverty, do you? It's a pervasive problem in this society. We got all kinds of people living in poverty, and 99.782% of those on my math are people that didn't graduate high school. I didn't say everybody had to be a doctor, lawyer, engineer, teacher. I didn't say anybody had to do anything. There's trades, but you got to get through high school or you're in trouble. If you went back to Abraham Lincoln's era, it was okay not to get through high school. Not anymore. To the charge, minor in possession of tobacco, responsible or not responsible. I don't want you guys paying this. I want her paying this. I'm going to assess fines. I'm going to cut it down to $90. I'm going to trust our little conversation here is going to make you reflect on what you're doing. I'm going to give you until August the 1st to pay this. Really, I don't want you guys to pay it.
Judge didn't just fine her, he sat her down and gave her a real talk about poverty, leadership, and the wrong crowd. Then cut the fine to $90 and told her parents not to pay it. She needs to.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
You got it? Oh, come on, stay out of here. You seem like a nice kid. These are the most important years of your life. I've been saying it for years. high school age up to about 22. I've yet to see anybody successful at 50 that wasn't at 22 and vice versa. Come on, use your head. Get out of here. Apologize to your parents for making them take off of work and come here on your way out. Good luck.
Thank you.
16 years old, third offense, suspended 20 days, doesn't know her GPA, but this judge still believed in her. Was that lecture the wake-up call she needed? Tell us what you think in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe. Real courtroom moments every single day.